Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a fruit smoothie for me and my sister. So of course we got the frozen fruits, extra frozen bananas, coconut water, and Greek yogurt. Now that's open, I'm going to, oh wow, this is actually really cold. What's that green stuff? Maybe avocado. Okay, next I'm going to put in the coconut water. Okay. See if I can open this thing. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to pour the whole thing in it. And see that little stuff? That's the real coconut. So the rest is sweet water. The water with the actual coconut, actually, to you, it might be pretty good if you ever tried this or have. But to me, the little actual pieces aren't too good. Okay, there it is. Next, I'm going to do the yogurt. Okay, I need very big scoops. 3 of them. Oh, that should count as 2. Get all in there. Okay, that should count as 2, so I think this should maybe like another one but half. That should be good. Oops. And then like another like a half of that, I'd say. Like that should be good. Okay. Next we're going to put the frozen bananas in. Just dump them in. Should be nice and right. Get in there. Okay. Gonna get right, put it on the blender. So now that the thing's on the blender, I'm gonna turn it up, and you always want to start low, like around 2. Oh, that became pink really easily. Okay, next, so like when it becomes now, you might want to turn it up higher to like 5. Like, okay, maybe 4 or not. Okay, so it just came out. Of course, the big one for me. Look at this nice color. And as you saw before, it became really colorful so quick. Okay, so this is my favorite smoothie ever. It is so good. You can sort of like taste the color. It's pink. You can sort of like taste that pink in a way. Well, I just love it. And again, the ingredients to make it and how to make it is in the descriptions below. Peace!